Hi, my name's Darren. I'm super excited to be here today to show you how to claim your free Versoflor keyring. Before we get into that, if you're wondering what the random pineapples are for, then please click the link in our website and you'll see how we created this amazing design. I can show you can see the lifelike ink comparison here. So yeah, click the link and you'll see how we created that design. Let's get into the keyring. So the keyring is designed to just show you how we fit our mosaics into our super fantastic modular flooring system here. So I'm going to take a red mosaic and where we're going to put this, I'll put that in the middle, line it up, bit of pressure, clicks into place. So satisfying. So I'm going to get a yellow one. Okay, so yellow can go on the bottom, and I don't know, let's go orange. So there you go, I've created a completely individual design. When you get your keyring, you'll get 6 different inserts to choose from and have fun putting those together. This is how I use mine. I've got my car keys here, my bike keys there, so they're individual designs that I use to identify what those keys are for, despite the fact that's obviously a Mercedes keyring. But you know, you can use them to create bespoke keyrings for whatever applications, your house keys, your garage keys, whatever you like. But yeah, the most important thing is you visit Versoflor.com to see how you can create an amazing space with our modular flooring system. It's super easy to use. You can create all sorts of designs with it. So get inspired and go to Versoflor.com and create an amazing space today.